Acloud is the software platform provided by Advansol for module-level monitoring as part of the Advansol module-level control solution. Users can log into the Acloud via the web or app. Upon logging in, users can view the real-time operating status of their solar system and equipment. To click one of the solar systems, users can clearly see real-time power generation, cumulative power generation, equipment status, and other information. The power generation statistics can be dated back to any year, month, or even day. In the equipment section, users can view real-time data for each solar module, including power generation, voltage, current, temperature, and corresponding graphs. Historical data tracking is also allowed. In the Layout section, users can see both the logical and physical layouts of the solar modules. The physical layout shows the exact position of the solar station. Besides the real-time power status of each module, users can also check each module status at any time of the day for the last 30 days. This can help you identify abnormal modules. Acloud truly enables users to achieve real-time module-level monitoring.